Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
UTEC's Raymond Richards secured Jamaica's first medal at the World Indoor Athletics Championships in Nanjing, China, taking bronze in the men's high jump on the opening day of competition. Richards leapt 2.28 meters, the same height as second-placed Hamish Carr of New Zealand. South Korea's Sang-Hing Boo won the event with a season's best 2.31 meters. Another Jamaican, Romain Beckford, placed ninth with 2.14 meters. The other highlights for Jamaica on the opening day came in the men's triple jump and the men's 60 meters. Olympian Jordan Scott placed fourth in the men's triple jump final. Scott initially placed fifth after leaping 17.10 meters, but moved up one place following the disqualification of Brazilian Almar dos Santos, who had finished third. Dos Santos was disqualified for not complying with the competition's shoe rule. Former national 100-meter champion Rohan Watson placed fifth in the men's 60-meter final, clocking 6.59 seconds. Jamaica's other competitor in the event, Nishon Barnes, failed to advance from his heat after clocking 6.70 for third. Lloydrecia Cameron ended 13th in the women's shot put final with a throw of 17.43 meters. And Leah Anderson did not advance from the preliminaries of the women's 400 meters after finishing fourth in her heat in 52.86. The competition resumes this evening at 9:05 with live coverage on TVJ's Sports Network. Reggae Boys head coach Steve McLaren says although expecting a tough challenge from hosts St. Vincent and the Grenadines, the Jamaicans possess a strong squad to secure a win in their Gold Cup qualifying first leg match at Honorsville Stadium this evening. McLaren notes that the squad will welcome back a number of their senior players who were missing from their last three matches, including the CONCACAF Nations League quarterfinal defeat to the USA.
A very tough first game tomorrow evening. We've watched them a lot over the last 5 or 6 games. They've prepared well, and they got some good players that can hurt you. So we stress to the team this is not going to be easy. What I've realised in my 6 months in the Caribbean is that there is no easy games. They're all different, and tomorrow will be the same.
Former champions Montego Bay United are now second in the Jamaica Premier League standings after blanking Malines United 5-0 at the Montego Bay Sports Complex on Thursday evening. The former champions were led by a 3-timer from Jordan Fletcher, who scored in the 3rd, 23rd and 53rd minutes. Mobay's other goals came in the 73rd through substitute Brian Brown and in the 83rd minute courtesy of Owain Gordon. Mobay are now on 63 points, 5 behind leaders Mount Pleasant, while Malines remain in 11th place on 28 points. Meanwhile, in the days of the game, Chapelton Maroons leapfrogged Humble Lion in the standings after defeating them 2-1 at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex. With the win, Chapelton moved up to 12th on 24 points, while Humble Lion fell to 13th. And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
And that concludes the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.